This is Excel Lesson 6 Step by Steps, the Understanding Paste Special Options. Excel gives you another tool called Paste Special. It enables you to control specifically what you want to paste after you copy or cut, such as cell content, the formulas, the values, or the formatting. I have my '06 Contoso Painter Paste Special Solution Workbook open from the previous exercise. I'm on sheet 2, and in cell A12, I'm going to add another name, Jacobson Lola, and then I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to select cell B11, C11, the range, and I'm going to do a Control C to copy that to the clipboard. You see my dancing dashed border. I'm going to right-click cell B12 and select Paste Special from the shortcut menu. The Paste Special dialog box opens, and you can see all of the different options that I have. I'm going to select Formats and click OK. Only the formatting from cell B11, C11 range is applied to B12, C12 range. In B12, I'll now type 1534 and press enter, and notice the formatting is there. In cell C12, I will type 12517, and notice it takes on the same formatting as the cell above. Now I'm going to click in cell A13 and type total. In cell B13, I'm going to go to my Home tab all the way over to the far right to the Editing group, and I'm going to click on Auto Sum button, and then press Enter. This totals all my values in B6, B12 range. I'm going to click cell B13, and I'm going to copy that value to the clipboard. I'm going to right-click on B14, and I'm going to do a select Paste Special again to get my dialog box. And then I'm going to click Values and click OK. I'm going to hit Escape to get rid of that moving dashed border in cell B13. Only the value was copied from B13, not the formula and not the formatting. I'll go ahead and delete that value in B14, and I'll save my file for submission to the assignment.